Today I'm going to show you how to use the C-Pen exam reader. So here's the exam reader. You can see you have the square button, which is enter, different arrows to move within the pen, a menu button, a go back button, and a power button. So first we're going to press the power button. And then we're going to press the square enter button to read the text. To read a document, you're going to press hard enough with the C-Pen that the light turns on. And now you're going to highlight what you want to be read to you. And once you're done scanning the document, the C-Pen will read your text aloud.
View all of the assistive technology devices and programs that WATR has available for loan.
To turn off the C-Pen, you're going to press the power button. And then it will ask you if you want to power off, and you're going to press the square button to say yes. And that's how you use the C-Pen.